Hey guys, once again, JI Handyman here. Two LED ceiling lights not working, one of them completely gone. That one you could barely see it. And this is how to replace it real quick. Remove the light fixture, unclip it from that little orange part, and then you unscrew that one. If it doesn't match with your new one, sometimes it can match, so you don't have to change it. In this case it didn't, so swapped it out. Grab the new one, that little switch right there. Somebody installed it upside down. Kind of bothers me, but it is what it is. Now bear with me. Trying to do everything while recording. Alright, just trying to figure out which color was the right one. Figure it out right there on the little settings. Pretty easy to do. It takes like literally like 10 minutes for each light. Unscrew that one. Grab your new one. It's like a little light bulb too. Screw right there. Bing bang boom. So on these little fixtures, I always remove that little weather strip, that black circle thing. I have never used these before. I don't know if some other people do, but I never have had to use it before. Remember the setting that I used on the other one? It takes like 10-15 seconds to clip it and put it up there. Real easy. And there you guys have it. Two LED lights working. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.